Welcome again to another segment of COVID-19 Coronavirus by MediWellness. My name is Edith Aura, a nurse, psychologist, and wellness coach. Today, I want us to discuss on how to maintain wellness during this COVID-19 pandemic. I'm sure talking about wellness in such a time when people are in panic mode doesn't really make sense. But yet, we'd rather be well than be worried. Take advantage of this COVID-19 pandemic lockdown and start focusing onto your own personal and family wellness. Remember, all of us have been going out to work and the children have been going to school, only meeting in the evening to come and sleep. But now we are there 24/7 locked in the premises. We have universal standards. The WHO recommends frequent hand washing with soap and water, use of sanitizers, and social distancing. In the house, we have to do something beyond the WHO requirements. We have to take care of our personal environment hygiene. Ensure that the surfaces around you are always disinfected. Make it fun. If you have children in the house, involve them in cleaning the surfaces, disinfecting the house, and just making sure that they also don't get gloomy about this pandemic that is coming to kill people, but that they can also learn that there's also joy in just being home and working together with the parents and the workers that are in the house. You can also disinfect your vehicle, because if you want to get out of the house, you will have to use that transport system that has been staying outside the house while you are in the house. Another point is hydration. Ensure that you drink safe, clean water. And if you're down with flu, drink hot or warm water every 30 minutes just to flush out the germs. In this water, you can either add in fresh lemon or some garlic or some salt. Point 2 is nutrition. Eat well-balanced meals that are well cooked. Eat foods that are rich in oils like fish. Eat whole grains. Eat nuts, healthy fats like olive oil, canola oil. And also eat vitamin C and zinc rich fresh fruits and vegetables. 3. Boost your immunity. You can do this by eating spices as natural as possible or is available. Also have probiotic drinks like kefir and yogurt. Continue with your routine immunizations or vaccinations or vitamins. If you're using Well Mom, Well Man or Well Baby, continue. Enjoy fresh air. Keep your house well ventilated. Keep away unnecessary clothes and old papers and things that you're not using, because these are the ones that store dust or droplets of germs and they become a hazard to us. Vitamin D. Enjoy as much sunshine as possible. If you're able to walk outside a little, walk in the sun. If you're in total lockdown, sit by the window for some minutes and allow the sun just to pass through the windows. Vitamin D is essential for your bones. Exercises. Don't just sit and sleep all day because it's a lockdown. Do some exercises daily. Some stretches, some abdominal cycles, dribble the balls indoors. Do some desired exercises, but don't just sleep down. No. Treatment. Get prompt medical attention as soon as you feel unwell. If you have underlying illnesses, remember it makes the outcome of COVID-19 worse. So, take your routine medications in case you have diabetes or hypertension or whatever else that you're having. Rest. That is key. Sleep enough to prevent the sleep-wake disorders. Ensure there are no distractions at night. And in the day, relax and rest well. We want to talk about emotional wellness. Intentionally try to avoid stress. Now that you're not staying out most of the day and coming back just in the evening, you are with your family members 24/7. Kindly respect each other's space in the house. Be genuine to each other. Don't provoke anger. Remember what I said, even in bad situations, there's something good. And in COVID-19 pandemic, we are bonding up again as family. Communication. Excellent communication channels are healthy. So maintain good communication channels to God, your family, and your loved ones. Use social media as you maintain social distance. Enjoy music. Keep good music alive. Music is the best therapy to all living things. We know that even animals enjoy music. Hobbies. Maximize the COVID-19 quarantine or lockdown. Have a time for family bonding. Enjoy indoor hobbies like cooking, like arts, like studying, and also above all, have your spiritual meditation. Now I want to look at the don'ts of wellness. Number 1, avoid touching your face, the mouth, the nose, the ears, and the eyes unnecessarily. Number 2, avoid junk food, smoking, taking alcoholic drinks. Number 3, avoid unnecessary travel. Number 4, don't stop your routine medication. Number 5, limit use of over-processed foods. Number 6, limit the use of sugar and artificial sweeteners. Remember, we talked about our immunity in one of the previous editions, that when you're active outside, you boost your immunity. In lockdown, we are less active, so we want to maintain or improve on our immunity, and too much sugar messes up with our own immunity. Number 7, limit formula milk if you can breastfeed your baby. Number 8, don't do vigorous exercises. It weakens immunity. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. MediWellness cares for you.